Now, pick the
Okay na?
Hi children, how are you? In previous class we learned word problems. Today we are going to learn big part. Page number 33, tick the correct answer. Okay. If we add 1 to any number, the dash is always the next number. If we add 1 to any number, the dash is always the next number. Sum, difference, product. Say, what is the answer of addition? Answer of addition is called sum. Answer of addition what ma? Sum. Answer of addition is called sum. For example, 5. 5 plus 1. How much 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 how much? 6. This is the sum. Okay. Are you understood children? The answer of addition. This is the what ma?
What page it is?
This is 33 page. 33 page A bit. If we add 1 to any number, see if A bit, if we add 1 to any number, the dash is always the next number. See here, when we add 5 plus 1, which answer come? 5 after which number come? 6. That means 5. When we add 5 to 1 means next number come. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. It means the next number comes. When we add any number to 1, which number comes? Yes, next number. So, what is the answer is called? The answer is called sum. Okay, the addition's answer is called sum. So, we will write here sum. A bit we will write in the dash. What will we write? Sum. See here, if we add 1 to any number, the sum is always the next number. The answer of addition is called sum now. So, the sum is always next number. Next number. 100 plus 1 how much? 101. Okay, 11 plus 1, 12. 20 plus 1, 21. That means when we add any number to 1, next number come. Okay, for example, 1 after which number come? 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. At the same time, 1 plus 1. 1 add plus 1 means 2. Answer is 2. 2 plus 1 answer is 3. 3 plus 1 answer is 4. 4 plus 1 answer is 5. Are you understood children? Next, second bit. If we add 0, if we add 0 to a number, the sum is equal to the sum is equal to the dash. A1, 0, number itself. Say the answer. If we add 0 to a number, for example, I will take 5. We will add 0. 5 plus 0. What is the answer? Say, Rishi, what is the answer? Very good. 5. Why? Because 0 have don't value. That's why any number we will add 0 means itself only. Itself number comes. Yes or no? Yes. So if we add 0 to a number, the sum is equals to the dash. 1, 0, number itself. 3, third bit, number itself. Answer is number itself. Okay, write like this. Second bit, write number itself. Third bit, third one. Okay, now see it. 256 plus 301 is equals to how much? Here what can you do? 256 plus 301. In middle which symbol is there? Which symbol it is? The symbol emanali. Plus or minus? Plus. Yes. That means what can we do here? We will do addition. Plus symbol means we will do addition. 256 plus 301. We will write in vertical form like this. One by one. Okay now. One by one we will write like this and we will do addition. 1 tens, hundreds. In ones place, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 means 6 after number what? Which number? 7. Good. 5 plus 0 how much? 5 plus 0, 5 only. Why? Because 0 is not value. That's why 5 plus 0, 5. And 2 plus 3. Take 2 and 3. 2 keep in mind and add 3. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Are you understood? 2 plus 3 means 2 keep in mind and add 3. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? Say what is the answer? Read this. 557. The answer is 557. This is it. First one or second one or third one? Which is the answer? 565, 557, 655. The answer is 555. That means second one. 57, 557, second one. Okay now? Next D bit. D bit. 628 plus 187 plus 158 is equals to how much? So what can we do here? Here also this is horizontal form. Okay, so we will write in vertical form. Okay, like this. One by one write. 628 plus 187 plus 158. This is vertical form. Okay now, this problem we write in vertical form and then we will do addition. Now ones, tens, hundreds. Now see 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. So 8 keep in mind. Okay, 8 keep in mind and add 7. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 keep in mind. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Are you understood? 8 plus 7 how much? 15. And 15 plus again 8. 15 keep in mind and add how much? 8. 15 after which number come? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. In this 23, 3 only we will write here. Okay now, 23 don't write here. Only 3 only we will write here. And this 2, what can we do? Say what can we do this 2? Where will we write? It is carrying over to tens place. Carrying over. Okay now. Now 2 plus 2. 2 keep in mind and add 2. 2 after 3, 4. Again 4 plus 8. 4 keep in mind and add 8. Here 8 numbers is there na? 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus we have 5 also. Okay. 12 plus 5. 12 keep in mind and add 5. 12 after 17. The answer is 17. But 17 we write here, na? No. In 17, only 7 only we will write here. In ones place 7 only we will write here. This one is carrying over to which place? Which place? Yes, hundreds place. Now we will do the addition. 6 plus 1 how much? 6 plus 1? 7. Or 1 plus 6. 1 keep in mind and add 6. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 6 also 7. 7 plus 1 how much? 7 after number? 8. 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1? Yes, very good. 9. So the answer is 973. D-bit answer is what, ma? 973. This is the 973? No. This is the 973? No. This is the 973? Yes. This is the right answer. We will write here 3. D. 973. 3-bit. Are you understood, children? Okay, now I will say fill in the blanks. Second bit. See here. 225 plus 105 is equals to dash plus 225. Here which number will be? We will write. See carefully. See carefully the problem first. 225, 105. In answer we will write 225. But 105 we will write here. Yes. Here the missing number is? Yes, 105. Which one is the missing here? 225 is equal to 225 plus 105 is equals to 105 plus 225. Here this number is missing. That's why we will write this number here. Okay. Now we will 540 plus 1. Now you only say the answer. 540 plus 1 how much? 540 plus 1. Plus 1 means what can we do? Next number. 540 next number what? 541. Yes, 541. When we add any number to 1 means the next number come. Okay na? Now see it. Dash plus 0 equals to 865. See here. Here missing number is there. Which one is the missing here? Dash plus 0 is equals to 865. Which one here missing number what? Yes, this one only, 865 only. Okay, any number 5 plus 0 means answer is 5 only. Yes or no? Why? Because this 0 is not value. When we add any number to 0 means the answer is itself only. Okay, that's why the answer is itself number. That's why we will write 865. Okay, 865 plus 0 is equals to 865. Why? Because 0 is not value. The itself answer is coming. That's why 865. That's mean here missing number is 865. Are you understood, children? Yes or no? D-bit 246 plus dash is equals to 123 plus 246. See here 246 here and is equal to this side also 246 is here. But which number is missing here? Yes, 123. That's why we will write 123. And EBIT dash plus 223 equals to 223 plus 146. Here also see, here 223 is there. He is equal to this side also 223 is there. and 146 is there. But here which number missing? Yes, 146. Both sides are equal. Okay now. Next F bit. 329 plus dash is equals to 330. Say the answer. See carefully. 329 plus 1 is equals to 330. Yes. Why? Because when we add any number to 1 means next number come. 329 next number what? 330. That means we add 1 only here. Are you understood, children? Okay. Tomorrow I will say more expanded form of additions. Okay. Until then, bye.